Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to talk about the salaries that flight dispatchers can expect in various countries around the globe. I'll describe the salary range you can expect from junior to senior positions in the countries where jobs are plentiful. Then I'll conclude this video with a few tips on how to get started on your career. Aircraft or flight dispatchers are essential to the smooth running of any airport. Every commercial aircraft that takes off from an airport requires a team of people who ensure its departure is safe and on time. Flight dispatchers are responsible for coordinating all the services and preparations required to ensure an aircraft leaves on schedule. There's a video in my channel with more information about this important job. But here are a few basic details. Flight dispatchers start their shifts with checks on the status of the weather, both current and forecast, and for both the aircraft routes and destinations. For this reason, flight dispatchers need to be able to confidently interpret weather data, NOTAMs, and other forms of information relating to aircraft in flight. They arrange the cleaning of passenger aircraft and the loading of cargo aircraft. They arrange for the refueling, routine maintenance checks, and any ad hoc servicing that may be required on the aircraft. As with most jobs, pay and benefits are commensurate with experience and responsibilities, and flight dispatcher positions are no exception. The following figures are averages collected in late 2018. They are base salaries, so they don't include any bonuses, overtime, or profit shares that may be offered. This is an important point to remember because such extras can make a significant difference to your take-home pay. Australia. The national average is 55,000 Australian dollars. Canada. 35,000 rising to 57,000 Canadian dollars. Dubai. 14,000 rising to 208,000 Arab Emirate dirhams. Egypt. National average is 114,000 Egyptian pounds. Germany. The national average is about 17,000 euros. India. 407,000 rising to 1 million rupees. Malaysia. The national average is 135,000 ringgits. New Zealand. National average is 101,000 New Zealand dollars. South Africa. National average is 342,000 rand. United Kingdom. 15,000 rising to 47,000 pounds sterling. United States. 30,000 rising to 91,000 US dollars. How to become an aircraft or flight dispatcher. The requirements for the role of flight dispatcher or flight operations officer may vary from country to country, but some things are common to all. Candidates need to have an appreciation of the following subjects. The more proficient they are in one or more of these skills, the more chance they have of securing a position. They are meteorology, air traffic control, communications, airspace, aerodynamics, aircraft systems, weight and balance, minimum equipment lists, emergency procedures, security, international operations, regulations, icing, flight planning, dispatch resource management, and practical dispatching. In addition, candidates will also need to be familiar with flight dispatch or airport operations software tools. That's because these might include flight planning systems, crew scheduling, aircraft performance analysis, and other related products pertaining to aircraft and airport operations. Employers are looking for the relevant qualifications or work experience among those who started in a junior position within airfield operations. The IATA website lists dozens of suitable short courses suitable for those seeking knowledge and certification in airport operations. See iata.org/training. As your career progresses, you can specialize in an area or simply take on more responsibilities for managing resources that could lead you into a managerial path that leads eventually to positions like Director of Operations. The skills and experience gained in these roles are transportable, giving you the option of applying for vacancies globally. One thing is for certain, as long as the aviation industry remains buoyant, there will be a demand for flight dispatchers. And if you're a specialist, the demand and the rewards will be higher. Thanks for watching. If you found anything of interest in this video, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll be notified directly of any new videos. While you're there, please click the thumbs up button and give it a like, and post a comment to tell me what you liked about this video. Ask me a question, tell me what you liked or disliked. Finally, please share this video with friends, colleagues and in social media so that others can view it and comment. By subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing these videos, I'll know what I'm doing right and will continue to make videos that people want to watch. Thank you for your support.